A pleasant day to everyone. I am Lizel Tabi, and I will continue the discussion about our topic about the integration in Calculus 2. And today I will discuss and give some examples about the integration of logarithmic functions. So, what is logarithmic functions in integral calculus? The integral calculus, a logarithmic function of the ln of x, can be expressed as the integral of ln of x dx is equal to x ln x minus x plus c. By use substitution, if the integral of u raised to -1, it is equal to the integral of du over u, and the answer will be ln the absolute value of u plus c. Integration of logarithmic functions by use substitution. So we have here the formula. If u is raised to -1, so therefore it will be the integral of du over u, and the answer will be ln the absolute value of u plus c, where u is not equal to 0. Always remember that. For our example number 1, we have here the integral of x raised to -1 dx. So the answer will be the integral of dx over x, it is and equal to ln x plus c. So as long as this one, u raised to -1, it will be du over u, right? So therefore, if x is raised to -1, it will be dx over x. So as we have observed, x is raised to -1, it will be 1 over x. So 1 over x times dx, it will be the integral of dx over x. So that's it. To further understand about the logarithmic functions by use substitution of in integral, we must evaluate the following. So the integral of dx over 7x plus 3. So first, let u will be the 7x plus 3. Then next, we must find the derivative of u, and it is equal to 7 dx, because 3 it can't be derived because it is a constant number and it is equal to 0. The next, we must find the value of dx. So we must divide both sides by 7 to cancel this one. So therefore, our dx will be du over 7. Now let us substitute the value of dx above here. So therefore, it will be the integral of du over 7 over u, which is our 7x plus 3 is u. And it is equal to 1 over 7, the integral of du over u. So if we simplify du over 7, it will become 1 over 7 du. So therefore, we must to put out the 1 over 7 here. Then, according to the formula a while ago, we must copy this 1 over 7, then add ln, the absolute value of u, plus c. So, the next, let us substitute the value of u. So, our answer will be 1 over 7 ln, the absolute value of 7x plus 3 plus c. It is plus c because this integral is what we call the indefinite integral. That's all. Thank you.